Yeah. Hello, hello. How are you? Let's start with an important device. My HP laptop, and it was made in China.
What? But it's a good brand. One of the ties I have is a channel back.
Oh my God, really? That bank was made in Italy, right?
Yes, it's good brand and like its model and what else do you have?
I also have a Rary Beauty lipstick. I love it. The brand was created by the singer and businesswoman Selena Gomez.
Wow, beautiful.
Thank you.